What's up everybody, today I'm going to install a catch can in the Mitsubishi Lancer, but first I'm going to do an unboxing. Okay, now I'm going to show you what's inside the box. Here, as you can see, we have a hose. We have a lot of fittings with O-rings, you can see. And here we have our catch can. This is a eBay one, an Amazon one from internet, the cheapest one. And yes, this catch can have this stick to check the level of the oil in here. And inside we have nothing in here, and in here we have this type of mesh, this type of filter. So in addition on what's coming in the box, I bought another things that I'm going to show you right now. So first of all, I bought this hose because this hose right here it's weak, as you can see it's weak. So I bought this fuel hose, you can see here, this flexible fuel hose. And I bought these things, this mesh to put it in here, and a little O-ring that it's going to go in here because this stick do not have O-ring. So yes, now I'm going to show you how I'm going to install it and where. So a lot of people says that catch can do not work on NA engines. NA means that the engine do not have turbo or supercharge, and I don't know if it's going to work or not in NA engine, but I'm going to test it. And if I take out this hose, you can see here there is a little bit of oil, so I think it's going to work, but I don't know. I'm going to do an update in the catch can when I change my engine oil. So yes, now I'm going to show you how I'm gonna put it and where. So to install the catch can, I'm going to use this. This is for electrical installations, but this is going to work for me, and I'm going to put it right here in this bolt right here, you can see, like this. And I'm going to put I'm going to put the catch can in here in this part, but first of all I'm going to cut this and I'm going to paint it. So now I'm going to cut this with this in here because I want this part only. So here I have the piece. I already cut the piece, and now I'm going to put it in the car and I'm gonna show you. So I put the bracket in here, in this stud right here, and now I'm going to put the catch can in here. Just for measurements, I'm gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna put it like this in here, and then I'm going to connect. And now I'm going to drill the holes to the bracket for the catch can. So now I just mark the holes. I mark it like this. I put this catch can like this, and I mark it like this. And now I'm going to open the holes, and then I'm going to paint it. So you can see I already do the holes, cut the holes, and now I'm going to sand it a little bit, and then I'm going to paint it. So now that I sand this piece, I'm going to clean it with isopropyl alcohol, and then I'm going to paint it. So now I'm going to paint it. I'm going to do 3 layers. The first one is a light layer, and then the other 2 ones are gonna be a heavier layer. Okay, while the bracket is drying, I'm going to prepare the catch can. For the installation, first of all, I'm going to take out these filters right here, and I'm going to put in here the mesh, this mesh. I don't know the name of this in English, but I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to put a bigger one, this one, inside of here, and I'm just going to put everything back again. And for the last piece, I'm going to put the little O-ring in here, this little O-ring right here. I'm going to put it in this stick, just like this, and that's it for the catch can. And now I'm going to prepare the fittings. I have the fittings right here. You can see I already put the O-rings in both of them, and now I'm going to put a little bit more of Teflon tape, and then I'm going to put it in here. So I have here the painted bracket, and now I'm going to take off this bracket right here, and I'm going to put it in here because I'm not going to be able to do it when this thing is in the car. And now I'm going to put the bracket in here, and then I'm going to put the catch can. So as you can see, I already installed it, and I can check the level right here. So yes, now I'm going to install the hoses. So now I'm going to install the hose, and I'm going to replace this hose right here. This is the PCB bulb, and I'm going to put the hose from here to here and here to here. So yes, now I'm going to show you. So as you can see, I already finished putting the catch can, installing the catch can. Here it is. So yes, I just put a clamp in here because it was loose, but the other ends of the hose wasn't loose. So the original hose was without clamps. So yes, now I'm going to start the engine and see that everything is okay. I'm going to check when I change my engine oil. I'm going to check the catch can to see if it has or not oil in there. And yes, that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.